Hey everyone! If you're collecting information from articles, websites, PDFs, or YouTube videos, Glasp makes it easy to keep everything organized. In this video, I'll show you how to organize your research with Glasp step by step. First, sign in to your Glasp account and open your library. This is where all of your highlights, notes, and saved content are stored in one place. Next, start saving highlights from the resources you're researching. You can highlight important text from supported web pages, PDFs, or YouTube transcripts, and everything will automatically appear in your library. Now, add notes to your highlights. Yeah, you can write summaries, key takeaways, questions, or your own ideas. This makes it much easier to understand your research when you come back to it later. To keep everything organized, use tags whenever they're available. Create tags based on your project, topic, or subject so you can quickly filter related highlights without scrolling through your entire library. You can also search your library using keywords to find specific highlights or notes. This is especially useful if you've saved a large amount of research over time. Finally, review your saved highlights regularly and remove anything you no longer need. Keeping your library organized makes it faster to find important information whenever you're working on a new project. And that's it. Now you know how to organize your research with Glasp and keep all your notes, highlights, and ideas neatly arranged in one place. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching.